I was at my first board meeting as the new association president when the manager asked if we had enough money to repair and paint the railings. The truth is, I didn't know. We'd just been talking about a very expensive roof repair, and I didn't understand where we were financially. I felt lost without a plan. I now know that most associations are in the same position, not understanding how to successfully move forward. I believe that we all make better decisions when we have a better understanding.
Understanding Reserves is a guide to help you lead well and avoid costly mistakes. We answer your questions such as, which project should we be funding? Do we have enough reserves on hand? And how much should we be setting aside moving forward? This book will help managers and board members understand what a reserve study is and how to use it.
If you want a quick answer, the book is broken into sections, or you can read it cover to cover, enjoying the wit and wisdom along the way. It's not a technical manual. It's simple and straightforward, giving you the tools you need to make wise decisions to help you avoid special assessments and deferred maintenance.
The most common response I hear from readers is, "This has been so helpful. I just bought a copy for each board member." What surprised us is how many homeowners are reading this book and experiencing less conflict with their association, because they now understand why assessment increases are often necessary. Understanding Reserves is a quick read. In just a few hours, you can benefit from 34 years of lessons learned.
Go to our website and learn more and download Chapter 1 for free.